Yeah, I will just record it and then send it to uh,
Yeah, that's fine.
Hardy and then Alex and Ricardo so that they can catch up later.
Okay, so as you remember, we were talking about this energy topic,
Hmm.
right? The ML like paper that Arthur would like to. I think he's like the major contributor, right?
Hmm.
To that. So, what is his idea that there is hydropower plants, right, with dams,
Hmm.
and he would like to learn how to predict water inflow to the dams at a which is particularly important at a certain time and days. So the scale is like each hour,
Hmm.
like hourly water inflow. So why this is important? Because this will allow like a better operation of the projects with dams, because with such a prediction data, operators will know at what time it's more efficient and appropriate to fail and um, to fill the dam. Oh, sorry. Um, yeah, to fill the dam and to pour it off.
Hmm.
Because it's really important. It will mm, so let's say the dam is acts like a battery, right? We can if we know when we can quickly fail it, then it means that we can um, you know pour it off and sell energy on the market, right? If we know that, let's say tomorrow we will be able to quickly fill it, right? So this makes sense for a better, like more efficient operation.
Right.
Um, yeah, but uh, yes. So the second is that, like for no dam project, we could like assess efficiency,
Hmm.
because we will know the uh, water inflow at particular space. And the last step, the most interesting and important, is that this will help to energy sellers to make best solutions on energy market
Hmm.
uh, at what price, at what and what time to sell
Right.
energy, because they will know uh, when they could fill the dam, right,
Hmm.
with water inflow.
Right.
So
So you mean the fair by meaning that they have a water in lack so that they cannot make the electricity? Is that the what the failure meaning?
I mean, let's say that like we have a full dam, right?
Hmm.
And you know that like next week, I don't know, there will be drought, right?
Hmm.
And you will not be able to fill it quickly in like next several days. Let's say, I don't know the exact scale of these
Hmm.
operations, but let's say. So that means that you will not be able to sell energy like this week, right?
That's
So
a failure meaning in the in this
yes,
example. Okay.
yes, because if you on the energy market, if you say as a seller that I will tell you that amount of energy like
Hmm.
in, I don't know, tomorrow, uh, relying on your energy source
Right.
like hydropower,
Hmm.
but let's say you don't have that amount of energy next day,
That
you will
fails.
need to buy it
Yes.
somewhere, right?
And very
And
cost.
spend more money.
Yeah, it's very
Yes,
costly and expensive.
yes,
Okay, because
yes.
the
So
failure in the dam sounds very much like the breakdown of the dam, which is not the case here, right? Because yeah, but I see what your point. So fail to provide the demanded energy in the right time. So that's what the fail means in this example.
yeah, that's correct, I think.
Hmm. Okay,
Well,
sounds
this
great.
is discussable. So So yeah, this is the major point why
Okay.
we need this
Hmm.
prediction
Right.
of this scale and this particular data.
Hmm.
Um,
So from this slide, I think we have a pretty clear what the outcome should be, the y of the, I mean, the y means the variable y, the outcomes from our design, the neural net or the network, I mean, the machine learning model. But the
yeah,
question
so
is,
it's
what will be the x, the input? So
yeah,
we
so
need to
what
define the features to predict
yeah,
the
correct.
y. Yeah, yeah.
Correct. So yes, the major outcome should be a water inflow, and
Yes.
like specifically this uh uh how you call it, granularity, right, of data should be like hourly. So
Hourly,
which
yes.
data is available now?
Hmm.
It's I will send you slides with links, so that's
Okay.
fine.
I
Um,
found that some of the link I couldn't access from here because we are in South Korea. Uh, but yeah, because some of the data the last
VPN.
time I think that maybe it's US information or data, so they don't want the other country see it or. But I can try it
Mm,
again. I can give a try again, and then I will let you know if I have any issue in.
okay. Okay, so there is this like a recent open access data,
Hmm. Hmm.
but the problem it has data,
Daily. Okay.
daily data. So Arthur's idea is that we have this historical daily data,
Mm-hmm.
and he would like to combine this daily data with hourly data of like precipitation, which
Mm-hmm.
is available from uh, weather data, right?
Mm-hmm.
Inflows and like discharging and gate
Mm-hmm.
height, because this will show how much energy we actually can get from the turbine, right?
Mm-hmm.
So his goal is to get, as I told you, hourly inflow um, rate, hourly water inflow rate
Mm-hmm.
in like 2, 3 months for future, based on historical daily
Yes.
inflow data,
Yes.
and plus additional features is this hourly data from the available sources like
Mm-hmm.
precipitation inflows and etc.
Okay.
So this is like the very short, brief introduction. Um, yeah. So I told you reasons why it's important. What what is the outcome and what is data sources. So I think yeah, that's pretty all.
Okay. Sounds great. So we are having the daily data, but we have to predict the hourly data. That's a quite multi-scale because it has a different scale in the data, right? So we need to come up with some idea how to manage it, combine that daily data and then hourly data seamlessly. So that's something that we need to work on. And also, you mentioned that we need to predict the next 2 months of the information. Is that correct?
Well, this is a scale like this would be better. Like 2 months, I don't
A
know.
month. Okay.
Month,
Um,
2 months.
so
I
I
think
think
he
yes.
would like to, sorry, he would like to use some strategies from the papers he sent you, right, last
Yeah.
time.
I saw it.
So,
But in the paper, it's not specifically for the time series data. It's more for the tabular data. So any tabular data can be used. Uh, so the paper PFN table or PFN, I forget the name. It's a PFN tab PFN. So it's a table pre-trained what I don't know what the F means, but the network. So this is just for a like a data frame, not specifically for the uh, time frame information. Uh, so the paper itself, it didn't really uh, cover or handle anything about the different scale, difference in the scale of the data. It just the workflow that are predicting based on the multiple columns and the multiple features to get the outcomes. Um, but yeah, we can continue discuss how to use this algorithm in this particular example. So yeah.
I think his idea was that mm, from from this data that we
Hmm.
have hourly precipitation
Right.
inflows from different data sets. This
Hmm.
can be all collected and
Yes.
combined
Yes.
to get hourly outcome. So
Hmm.
what is specifically important? This like
Right.
hourly inflow because trading on the market
Yes. By
goes by
hourly.
hour, right?
Yes. Mm. Okay. If you share this slide, I will take a look in the data, and then if I can have access,
Yes, let
I will
me.
probably start on the pre-process of the data. I mean, I can do, yeah. For now, I can just download whatever up to date they have or they provide, and then make some nice data format so that we can discuss on the data maybe in the next meeting. So I can start to work on that.
Yeah, I mean, I think because let me send you the
Mhm.
slides.
And
So,
ultimately,
mm,
we need to make this like a real time. So maybe we can make the script that are uh, scraping the data like automatically and then update our models and then predict the futures. Maybe do that like a daily so that we can get a better prediction every day or every week. So because
I
if
mean,
we Mhm.
yeah, yeah, continue, please.
Sorry, go ahead.
I mean, this data now, it continues to be updated
Yes,
every
yes.
every day. So
So yeah.
maybe just some,
So
maybe
instead of manually
parsing.
download it every day, maybe we can make some Python script that access this website or web page and then download the data automatically. And then, if we get familiar with this type of the data, then we can make such workflow later. So may I share this slide with others in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
WhatsApp? Okay.
sure. Okay, that's
And
absolutely
then
fine.
I will stop
Yeah.
recording from